Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Sanjay Lamtamang. Today I bring for you all tomato basil soup recipe. Please do watch video until the end. Follow the ingredients and instruction. Enjoy with your family, friends at your home, or you can use this recipe to aid your work. धेरै धन्यवाद सबैजनालाई। आज पनि तपाईहरु माझमा मैले टोमेटो बेसिल सुपको रेसिपी ल्याएर आएको छु। हजुरले यो रेसिपीलाई फलो गरेर आफ्नो घर परिवारसँग पनि इन्जोय गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, साथसाथै आफ्नो कार्यक्षेत्रमा पनि प्रयोग गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ है त। A classic tomato basil soup in a clean, regular, professional recipe format suitable for restaurant service. Tomato basil soup, restaurant style, yield 4 portion, texture is smooth and creamy without cream. Ingredients: ripe tomatoes, fresh or canned 1 kg, onion chopped 150 gram, garlic chopped 4 cloves, olive oil 3 tablespoons, vegetable stock or water 500 ml. Tomato paste 1 tablespoon, sugar 1 teaspoon optional, fresh basil leaves 15 to 20 leaves, salt to taste, black pepper to taste. Optional for creamy version, fresh cream 50 ml or 60 ml, butter 1 tablespoon. Method: heat olive oil in a pot on medium heat. Add onion and saute until soft, do not brown it. Add garlic, cook 30 seconds. Add tomato paste and cook 1 minute. Add tomatoes and stock, bring to a boil, then simmer 20 to 25 minutes. Add basil leaves and cook 2 minutes. Blend until smooth. Season with the salt and pepper and sugar if needed. Add cream or butter if using, simmer 2 minutes. Serving: serve hot with garlic bread or croutons. Garnish with the basil oil, cream swirl or parmesan. Chef note: basil should be added the end to keep aroma. Do not overcook garlic. Strain for fine dining texture. Storage: refrigerator at 2 to 3 days. Freezable without cream. Thank you very much everyone. Love you all. Please always do visit my profile. Have a look, many more recipes are there and many more posts are there. If you have any concern, do not hesitate, send to me message or comment any of my post. धन्यवाद सबैजनालाई। जहिले पनि तपाईहरु मेरो प्रोफाइलमा भिजिट गर्नु होला र त्यहाँ मेरो विभिन्न किसिमका भिडियोहरु छन्, पोस्टहरु छन्, तपाईले हेर्नु होला र केही जिज्ञासा रहेमा तपाईले सिधै मलाई मेसेज गर्नु होला अथवा कुनै पनि मेरो पोस्टमा गएर तपाईले कमेन्ट पनि गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। जहाँ हुन्छ जता हुन्छ स्वस्थ रहनुस्, मस्त रहनुस्, व्यस्त रहनुस्। आफ्नो जिन्दगीलाई खुलेर जिउनु होला। 2 दिनको जिन्दगी हो, थाहा छैन कहिलेसम्म। See you next in the video. Love you all. Ciao.